Hi everyone, myself Arya Biradar. I have secured 90.2% in my CBSE boards and now preparing for NEET 2026 in DCP Nilanga. I am part of this institution from 3 years now. I did 2 years of the foundation classes for 9th and 10th, which now I think back is it would be a great opportunity for me if I got these classes from my 6th grade. Me and my father, we came for the seminar here when I was giving my 8th grade exam. And then I got admission in 9th grade. Me with my mother moved to Nilanga. If you ask me why all of this for just a 9th standard girl and that also for the foundation classes. Because opting for the foundation classes is a major step towards your goal. Don't we say precautions are better than cure? It is something like that. We got the best team of teachers who guide us through our highs and lows. Because having a guide in the highs is as important as having a guide in the lows. See, nowadays, every student is working hard and has the will and the potential to achieve what they want. The only thing which is missing is the right direction, which would be given by a proper teacher through his guidelines, which ultimately makes me feel very lucky because I got DCP in very start of my journey. The syllabus we studied for the foundation classes is all JEE and NEET oriented. It's not like only for CBSE or state board. We also have an application which has lakhs of questions on a single topic or subject. You can practice this by creating a customized test. And additionally, we give our fortnightly test through this application, because of which we can see which is our plus point or where we are getting limited. And also the application provides us a deep analysis on what time I have spent on a particular question. If I have spent a lot of time, then I can consult my teacher for the short tricks. And I would say the modules given to us has a very important theory, because every module, every reference books also have very theory which I think is not filtered, but our modules are all filtered by the team of teachers and given only what is needed. It also has hundreds of questions on a single subtopic. And also it provides us short tricks and questions as where we can spend much time on a single question. And whenever I have got less marks in my test, we have a spiritual seminar to boost us. We get classes on meditations or related to Bhagavad Gita, which helps us boost our confidence and also spiritually stable. These classes are not only about the academics. I think the foundation classes I had invested in has shaped me into a better student. I am dedicated towards my goal and also disciplined in my studies. I am proud to be a discipline. Thank you.